On October 30th, 1938, millions of Americans tuned into their radios for a normal evening broadcast. Instead, they heard breaking news reports describing a Martian invasion in New Jersey. The program was actually a dramatized adaptation of H.G. Wells' novel, The War of the Worlds, performed by Orson Welles. But many listeners missed the introduction explaining it was fiction. As realistic news bulletins interrupted music, panic spread. Some people called police, others fled their homes. Although later reports exaggerated the scale of the hysteria, the broadcast became one of the most famous media scares in history. It proved how powerful and persuasive mass communication could be.